So, hello everyone. It's been a while since I've been in done an unboxing, and it really has been. But you're seeing a special one today, so I went out of my way and I've actually bought an item that I still needed to complete my Steam team. So, what I have here today is the plarail Edward 2018, the new one. Yes, he's new in box, but the box is a little damaged. I bought this, believe it or not, off of AliExpress. 33 euros. I mean, this guy's real, I can tell you that. But it's, very nice to have an Edward here, since he was really the only main character that I was still missing. But yeah, all of the writing is in Japanese, so I can't read that. Fortunately aren't Japanese, so I can't read it, but I've heard people say that they don't really like this version of Edward, which I understand. But I had the opportunity of buying him new in box for around 30 euros and decided, well, it's going to be a while until I find an Edward, so why not go with this? So I went ahead. Let's see, is there any... No, I don't need to cut anything, it seems. But this is a really cool model. Come on, young man. I have no idea how to flip this open, actually. This is my first ever plarail engine, so bear with me here. Okay, there is tape. So, be careful when handling with knives, children. Always use adult supervision, since stuff can go wrong and it can permanently damage you. Let's take a look, shall we? Come on out, young man. There we go. Okay, this box, we're gonna put it over to the side. Right over there. So he's wrapped up in this plastic. That's nice. I'll make a very tiny cut, as to be able to get in there better. There we go. Okay. So let's take a look. So he comes with this yellow truck, which looks like a kind of a funny truck, but gave him a face. The printing is actually pretty good on that face. I'm not sure, but I think they improved that, since I don't think it was ever that good. But it's just a generic truck. It says Tomy, but it's plarail, of course. I guess the cover Tomy plarail, whatever. But yeah, this is a nice little truck. I mean, rolling stock's always nice to have, so you can never really go wrong with that. Here's Eddie's tender. Oh, this thing's actually got quite a bit of weight. Yes. There we go. No painted buffer beam at the back. Womp womp. A little bit of... Oh, that's actually kind of bad. Look at that plastic damage over there. Oh. That's not good. Well, for the rest, the tender looks nice. Besides that, then. The rest, he looks pretty good. And also, there's a ding over here. Maybe that's because he's from AliExpress. Who knows? But yeah, I have Edward here, which is nice. Edward's tender, that actually is. So now let's take a look at the guy himself. The man, the myth, the legend. Plarail Edward. Here he is. Oh, Huggy, come on. Stay standing. That's Huggy Berry way over there that I'm fixing. Okay. Edward. So, there he is. I think a thing that I don't like on this model is how big the pupils are. He has some massive fucking eyes, bro. So yes, that's him. To be fair, I'm not really seeing a lot of nicks or like damage like on that tender. Which this is how it's supposed to be. It should be clean like that. But great looking engine. Tomy does not say a date on the bottom. Is that just something they didn't do for the plarail engines or not? I'm not sure. Let me know, please, because I'm not sure. Let's open him up and see how he looks on the inside. Yes. Oh, that's how he opens? Okay, there we go. So this, of course, has that weird drive unit. I'm sorry, I don't have any drive units like this. So I'm really unfamiliar with it. But I have a fresh new battery here that I'm going to plop in there. Let's see, first run. Yes, he works. Okay, that's important. So let's screw him back in, and then we'll take him to the layout. We'll give him a spin, which is nice. Look at him. He runs good. Nice. Plarail Edward. Okay, so I think it's only fair to take him to the layout to give him a spin. Yes. Good stuff. Let's go! Okay, so here we are. This is going to be his first run. There he is. I've given him a couple more trucks. I've given him this troublesome truck with a wood load, or whatever the hell that is. I've given him this truck with those milk barrels that go side to side, which is kind of funny. I've given him the troublesome van to go along with this other troublesome van. So Edward's going to be looking nice. On the other line, I'll have Tommy Oliver running with 3 narrow gauge coaches. I know these are the only like coaches that I have, and Toad at the back. And then over here is Diesel 10. Diesel 10, since he gets a run because he was the engine I unboxed the last time. So yeah, let's go. So we'll send Diesel 10 off. There he goes. Let me put up his pinchy as well. And let's send Ollie off. And let's go Eddie. Bam. So he's looking nice. He's pulling through. Let me move some stuff. So. Okay, there he goes. Young man is pulling along. I think I'll need to do something about this, to be honest, because Diesel 10 has his claw up. I'm not sure if he's able to fit under there. Oh wow, he actually is. Wow. Yes, there's Oliver and Edward pulling through. See, look. There he goes. Oh, now we got stuck. Well, there's Edward and Diesel 10 coming along. I can get a nice shot up over here. Once all the engines come, which they are on their way. I'll quickly zoom out just a little bit, just like that. Here we go. Nice. Really nice. Okay. Yes, Plarail Edward. Looking great. And running him is also very nice. You know, he's a good runner. He really is. And then he's pulling along with Diesel 10 back there, and then they're going to meet up with Oliver in a little second. There he goes. So what I'm going to do now, after he's come back, I'm going to give my final thoughts about Plarail Edward and tell you all what I think of him. So yeah, let's cut into that. Okay, so my final thoughts on Plarail Edward here, the newer style. I think that this is a good model, to be honest. I think it's a good model for if you're not able to buy a Plarail or a Tommy one. Yes, of course, he has a wrong wheel arrangement and whatever, but you know, he does the job. He does what's asked of him, I feel. He's a good runner. He really is. So I'm gonna give him praise for that. Also, the box is also very cool. Nice artwork. There's also a little pamphlet in there. Oh my gosh. I forgot to take a look at this. Oh my gosh. But this is not that much information. It's just how to reply. Okay. But yeah, if you're able to pick up a Plarail Edward, go for it because it really is worth it. I want that to get the fuck out of there. It's not coming out. Okay, whatever. Yeah. good model, good engine. I'm going to be ending off the video right here. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace out. Yeah.